Hello all, hope you all are doing well and giving your best efforts for the IIPGT. I have been receiving many questions regarding the IIPGT preparation, especially for the last month, that is for 30 days plan. So I will just explain you in brief about the preparation. I will discuss both for the beginners, that is the students who are starting the preparation now, and also for the students who have been preparing since many months. Firstly, I will discuss for the beginners. So, beginners, I don't know why you are starting the preparation at the peak moment. You may have your own reasons, that's fine. But the things you need to follow are be confident so that you will hit the target for sure. And it's not an easy task to crack the exam with a few days preparation. Make proper schedule. You allot the time for different subjects on the basis of their weightage. For example, you have 30 days left for the exam, right? Even if you have 30 days, you have to exclude at least 3 days for revision. So remaining 27 days, you have to divide them for two subjects, that is for homeopathic subjects and elite subjects. Homeopathic subjects you allot 17 days, and for elite subjects you allot 10 days. And in these 17 days, you divide them into accordingly for different subjects like organon, repertory and pharmacy, and the same division has to be done for elite subjects too. Focus only on subjects with high to moderate weightage. Guys, you have only 27 days left for the actual preparation, right? So you need to focus only on important subjects. If you see the following weightage that was followed for the last year's IIPGT, you can observe that all the homeopathic subjects are equally important, whereas in elite subjects it is different. Subjects like POM, PSM, surgery, gynec and obs are having high to moderate weightage, whereas anatomy, physiology, pathology, FMT have less weightage. So because of the time concern, focus on all homeopathic subjects and elite subjects with moderate to high weightage. Focus only on important chapters and important concepts. I have already made videos on important topics and chapters for almost all the subjects in my previous videos, so please go and watch. And even I have made concise notes on all subjects, especially for the rapid revision. You will definitely get benefit. The next thing is practicing MCQs. Practicing MCQs is very important as equal as studying the concepts. At this moment, you can't read a single concept and make the or solve the MCQs, but at least read an entire system and practice the MCQs of that particular system. Previous IIBGT question papers. Most of the students do not look at previous question papers, but it's absolutely wrong. Few questions will definitely get repeated for sure. So please go through the previous question papers without fail. And the last and most important thing is consistency and time management. This is the most important thing. Show your consistency in reading the concepts regularly, followed by solving the MCQs. Along with this, allot proper time for your preparation, sleep, food intake and relaxation. If you follow all these points, definitely you will secure a good rank. Now, for the students who have been preparing since many months, it's high time for your rapid revision. Don't go for new topics now because it's not the time for it. Do revision as many times as possible. How to do the revision is a question, right? According to my viewpoint, you have to do at least two revisions. One is rapid revision and the next thing is ultra rapid revision. You have to allot minimum 20 days for rapid revision and 10 days for ultra rapid revision. In rapid revision, start reading from most important subjects to least important subjects, that is according to the weightage. Complete the homeo portion first, followed by starting the preparation for the elite subjects. Start with practice of medicine, then PSM, surgery, gynec and obs, pathology, physiology, FMT and anatomy. In rapid revision, read the points that have been written by you. That means your own handwritten or handmade notes. This is for all the subjects. In ultra rapid revision, you have to go through only the red line symptoms or red line points. Red line in the sense italics in the Alensky notes and bold letters in the Boric, etc. In elite subjects, go through only the characteristic or marked feature about that particular disease. For example, consider acute pancreatitis. Just go through its important causes like gallstones, alcoholism. Important symptoms like boring pain in the epigastrium that radiates to back. Important signs like Kalensine, Gretersen, etc. Important investigations, for example, serum lipase, serum amylase. Regarding the MCQs part, attend grand tests only at the moment because you don't have time for attending MCQs of separate chapter, separate concept, right? So you attend the grand test now. It may be of live grand test or grand test of previous papers. It's up to you. And one small suggestion from my side is you just skip anatomy part because you will get hardly 4 questions from it, and for that you have to read 4 volumes. So it's better to skip according to me, but it's up to you. And as I previously said, consistency and time management is important for you as well. And one final and important thing, my own handwritten notes for rapid revision of all the subjects are available. These are the notes which I have prepared for last year's AIPGT, and you know my result. So feel free to contact me through below mentioned number. And even I am mentioning the WhatsApp group which was made by me, and I'm posting regular MCQs in that along with the grant test. So the link will be available in the description. So please go through it. And finally, prepare well, be confident, and give your best. I want to see all the people who are watching this video, who are in my group, and who are my friends, colleagues, etc. And I want to see all you people in your desired colleges as soon as possible. Thank you.